Hi friends, this video shows how to install new apps in Kids Profile. First, let me switch to Kids Profile. Select Switch Account from top left corner. Select this Kids Profile Kid 1. See, now I am inside Kids Profile Kid 1. Here you can see two apps. So I am going to install new apps. Select this third icon, Manage Apps. Then enter Google PIN. Here you can see list of apps that we can add to Kids Profile. So these are the Kids app from Google Play we can add. If you go down, you can see list of apps that already installed in this device. See, we can also add these apps to Kids Profile. Let me add some apps. Let me set YouTube. Okay, then Amazon Prime Video. Done. Let me test it. Go back to home screen of Kids Profile. See, here you can see those newly added apps. So this way we can install new apps into Kids Profile. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.